on 3. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button down below this video. And that's all. See you out there. This evening, or afternoon, I should say, it's about 2 in the afternoon right now. And me, Dustin, and Tanner here, we decided that we were gonna come out and try to do a little evening duck hunt. It has been rainy and crappy weather. Good duck hunting weather, honestly. It's like a 20-mile-an-hour wind right now. These two got their guns. I'm just gonna be running the camera. We're gonna go see if these guys can shoot their 2-man limited ducks. We had no plan of where we were gonna go or what we were gonna hunt. We just threw some decoys in the truck and just started driving pretty much. We just pulled up to a public spot. It's a big body of water that has a ton of divers sitting on it, and we do not have a boat or anything with us, and we have no clue how deep it is. Tanner is the only one with waders today. Hopefully we're gonna have to find somewhere that's shallow enough for us to walk, but we got to carry all our decoys and stuff out there, so we're gonna get to it, and we will see you when we get out there and pick a spot out.
All right, I'm loading my gun. They're everywhere. This is bad. Oh my God, dude, get down, get down. Hey, someone left their decoys out here. Should we use them?
Dang, free dive bombs?
No way.
Already rigged up?
Sweet.
Let's go.
Right now?
Huh?
You sure you're carrying enough stuff right now? If you need, I can grab something.
No, I'm packing pretty heavy here.
Remember, guys, cameramen, they don't hold anything.
You think we're gonna make it?
I don't think so.
Well, me and Dustin are in a little bit of a predicament here. The water gets deeper than we thought, and we just have our rubber boots on, so we're gonna have to figure something out here.
Are you steady? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Come on, come on. I'm sorry. I'm so wet. Step on. It's up here. No.
Are you good?
Nice and wet, just as planned.
All right, I need to figure something out.
What are you gonna do with that, buddy?
What on God's green earth are you doing?
Yo, Tanner, where's the hole?
You want me to check it for you?
Yeah. End of my log. Oh! Well, my boot's full.
Shall I bring this back across?
That worked so good. Right until I had to jump off like an idiot. Good. Come on, guys. We just got out to the point that we were gonna try hunting, and it is freaking windy out here. When we got here, there was a bunch of divers, like literally just all over. There's a few big rafts of divers out here, but we have not seen much flying past this point that we are going to try to hunt. So hopefully we can get them to come over here, but if not, we have one more spot on the other side that we are gonna try, but hopefully it was worth it soaking our boots to come to this point.
Are we gonna get set up here?
Or do you wanna go to the other spot?
Kinda, yeah. Tanner can only walk like 20 yards offshore, not even.
Really?
That was as far as he could go.
What do you think, Tanner?
It's pretty deep over here. It's pretty deep.
That's why you tie him up. And you can separate them nice and easy.
You foamed them, Tanner.
Yeah. This is good.
We decided to set up here, as you guys see, on this point because we're already out here and soaking wet. So we're gonna try it for like 10-15 minutes and see if anything comes by. We don't really think anything's gonna come into us here, but we're gonna throw the rest of these decoys out in this amazing looking spread here, right next to shore, and see if we can shoot a duck here. Okay, well, we've sat here a whole whopping 3 minutes about, and we're deciding that that was a horrible idea to set up right here. So we're gonna pick the decoys up, and then we're gonna move to the spot where we should have set up right away.
I don't use a belt. I use Texas rigs.
Oh, good. Dude, there's something holding it down there. I think I got it.
Our Uber's coming to pick us up, drop us off at the next hole. Hopefully this next one works out. That was probably the stupidest decision we could have ever made. We're out here in Hurricane Katrina and we picked the windiest side of a big lake to hunt.
What?
Huh? All right, back to Ollie with the news.
You Dustin?
Yes, you Tanner?
Slash.
Slash, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Care
you.
if you drop us off at our next duck hole?
It's a Hemi. Of course I don't mind.
All right, sweet, let's go, man. Well, we found a much shallower, calmer, way better in every single way spot, and we're gonna set up here instead. Nice toss, huh? Good, you might say. Maybe just one more out here. What do you think?
Where are you gonna put it?
In that gap.
Which one? Okay, I see it. Go.
That exact gap
Nice.
is the one I was talking about. Ooh, what about that pack? Ooh, good throw.
You think we're gonna shoot some here?
I don't, bad. One down.
What was that? A blue winger?
Yep. On three. I got two. I missed my first shot. All right, cut him. Literally too close.
See if the bigger ones will come. Yeah, you're ready. On the back. Actually, look for two bands. Never mind.
Dude, I might have to shoot this one. I have in my hand.
They do look bigger than here. But those are really close. That one. There's three. There's three. Actually, mopping up. Yeah. I can't even see them. They're coming on the right side. Oh, good. Hey, heel, here. One.
All right, Tanner's out there grabbing, I think, the 5th blue wing teal. Been mostly teal. None of the bigger ducks or divers are really coming back to this corner right now.
See? Told ya. Go ahead. Hey! So, we've been standing in the weeds over back there all hidden. 1 second. They're coming in since we're out of the weeds. That's my tactic, basically, is... Yep, Tanner, you're going to want to hit the deck.
I see him.
There's 2.
I do.
Let them fly past you. Here, boy. So, my tactic, anyways, like I was saying, I've been sitting in those weeds, and there's this little bog pile right here that you can stand on. If I went through it, I'd be about knee deep, maybe waist. But if you come out here and stand on this exact bog, if you can find this spot and stand on this bog, you're gonna shoot a limit.
Ooh, what are these doing?
2 more, here they come. Let me stand on this bog some more. Ooh, putting down. That's all right, guys. It's all right. It's because I crouched and tried to hide.
It's right up there.
You'll never believe it, but Clash and Slash were talking, and they banded about 500 of these guys right up that way. So we shall shoot a band.
Slash said that?
And Slash and Dash.
Did you hear him say that, Dustin?
Is he talking about Gash?
No, Slash.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was talking to Slash, too.
What'd he say?
He said they net collared like 7,000 teal just up the road.
Yeah, Slash told me there's some tarsals mixed in. We might get lucky.
We're about to have 15. Divers. I may. Nope. There are divers though.
I had to. I don't want to shoot it.
Well, Tanner decided he was going to shoot at that mallard that came in, and after the first shot, it grabbed the wind and just took off. And he got it on the second shot, and it sailed way over to the point over there. So now Tanner's going to make a hike way over there and retrieve that mallard on the other side of the swamp here. So he's going to go grab that, and we're going to wait and try to shoot the rest of these ducks here.
They might dive in this corner. Okay, they're gonna. Yep. We got 10 birds down, 9 blue wingers, and I'm pretty sure that was a hen mallard.
What'd you get, Tanner?
Got a nice hen mallard that I just think I walked about 2 miles to go and retrieve.
Susie killer?
That's actually. How could you not?
Yeah,
This
that
beats
is
a green
true.
head any day. Dustin went down to get a teal. He saw it over there, shot it, finished it, and I just went and grabbed it since I'm the only one with waders.
Was it
today.
worth the walk?
Hen? Yeah.
True.
Just got our first green wing of the day.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, looks really good.
Yeah. What do we got left? 3 ducks?
Yeah, 3 more, and then
3
we're
more?
up and out of here. The rain's picking up pretty good, and it's getting a little bit wet, as you can see.
Yeah, my camera's about to get clapped, so
Yeah.
hope you guys enjoy this video.
No. What do we get, 1?
1. All right, well, these two started getting impatient, decided to pack it up, and that big group of ducks came ripping in, and they grabbed their guns again and tried to get the last 3 ducks we needed, but they shot 1, so that would leave us with 2 more ducks that we need.
Today we have Tanner with the weather. Tanner, how's the weather?
It's gonna rain.
Thanks, Tanner. Despite the weather, we got it done out here. 2 guys, got 14 birds. In North Dakota, I don't know if Luke explained it. In North Dakota, you can shoot 2 bonus blue-winged teal on top of a 6-bird limit. So technically you can shoot 8 blue-winged teal. And that goes until today, actually. Today's the last day of that 2-bird bonus. So that's why we shot more than 12 ducks with 2 guys. Usually most states it's 6 ducks, but we shot a bunch of blue wingers. So those are bonus birds. We technically could have shot 2 more, actually, but we're happy with 14 birds given the weather and how windy it is. And we haven't scouted this spot. So
Yeah, this was completely random.
yeah, we just randomly picked this spot. I was like, I've seen birds here before, let's go there.
How's your boot? Is your boot still wet?
Well, it's warm wet now, so it's not bad.
We ended up with 11 teal, one or two were green wingers, 1 nice Drake green wing that I think Tanner shot, and then Tanner's hen mallard, and they each got their 2 bluebills, so they ended up shooting a couple divers. So we kind of got a mixed bag of everything, honestly, but for sure the majority of the birds that we shot were teal. That is going to wrap this video up. If you guys liked the video, make sure you click that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, and we will see you on the next video.